I'm going to show you how to take your lashes from looking like this to this with the simplest mascara trick. If you have lashes like mine and you can barely see your lashes because they fall flat and mascara doesn't help because they still fall flat, then you will absolutely love this trick. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. I have stopped using false lashes on a regular because I absolutely love this mascara trick, and this is the only way I've been applying mascara, and I want to show you how. So without further delay, let's begin. As I said, if I don't apply mascara, you can barely ever see my lashes because they fall flat. Before applying mascara, make sure to always clean your lashes with a dry spoolie. I also have some lash glue stuck on my lashes, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean up on both sides. I'm going to demonstrate today's technique only on my right eye so we can compare it with my left eye. The first thing that we'll do before applying mascara is to use a lash curler. This one's from Sally Hansen, the only one I use and I absolutely love. I don't use the curler directly because that will not keep the curl. So the only way it's going to keep the curl is by warming up, and I use a hair dryer. You can also use a heated curler. Make sure it's not too hot. You can touch and test it before you use it. I'm going to open up the curler and insert my lashes in here, and I'm going to take the curler all the way back to the roots. Go very slow on this because you don't want to be pinching your skin. And once you've pressed on the roots, we will go to the middle of the lashes and gently press again. And finally, we go to the tips and again press. By doing this, your lashes are not going to stand up straight. Instead, they get that beautiful curl, as you can see. You can separate them out with your finger just like I did if they're stuck together. Now let's apply the mascara in 3 simple steps. Today I'm using this one from the drugstore. It's the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Mascara. Don't just pull out the wand like this. Instead, slightly bend the wand when you pull it out. That way the excess mascara that's stuck on the wand stays back. That way it doesn't clump your lashes. In the first step, I'm going to apply the mascara only to my tips and not the root. By doing this, the product is deposited only on the tips, and that's not going to weigh it down. If you apply it to the roots to begin with, the weight of the roots will eventually make your lashes fall flat. So by applying it only to the tips, it's going to keep the curl and it's not going to fall. As you can see, that's already looking stunning, and I'm going to wait for this to completely dry for step 2. And for step 2, I'm going to reapply the mascara on my tips. So we are doing it twice on the tips. So again, wiggling the mascara wand, I'm going to apply to the tips, and that should give so much more length. And I absolutely love the way it's looking right now. And before this dries, I'm going to quickly separate out my lashes. I'm using a lice comb. This works so well on the lashes. You can also use a lash separator, but I like this better. And of course, I'm going to link all of these products in the description box below. You just have to figure out what works best for you and use that tool. I don't really go by the rules, so this works fantastic. Now I'm going to let this completely dry for the final step. And finally, in the third and final step, I'm going to apply mascara to the roots. I'm going to start at the roots and go all the way to the center. And I promise you, it's not going to fall flat. You cannot beat this technique. You can see what a big difference that makes. Now, to make the lashes look thicker at the roots, I follow this technique of lining my waterline only on top. I don't like that flesh part to be visible, so I'm going to be using the Aqua Resist pencil by Makeup Forever. This is my absolute favorite. And I'm going to be applying it very close to my lashes. And this is my favorite pencil. Even if I blink several times, it's not going to transfer to my lower waterline. That's pretty much it. I absolutely love this. And you can leave your lower lashes as is, or you can apply mascara to your lower lashes as well. I love applying mascara to my lower lashes because it gives a very youthful, doll-eyed look. And now you can clearly see the difference in the 2 eyes. My right eye all of a sudden looks more awake and brighter. I'm going to finish up my other eye too and be right back, and that's pretty much it. It stays put, it stays curled till you wash it off. And here's how my eyes look from a distance. I absolutely love it. It brightens up the entire face. If you try this technique, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed in the description box right below this video. And make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok because I plan to do several giveaways there. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.